For some, organizing by state is easier than organizing by company. We introduce the return status schedule by state so that you can see all the returns and companies on a state-by-state basis rather than a company-by-company basis. Both reports share the same information in look. They both include the status of the return, due dates, amounts due, when a payment was made, payment types, open audits, and more. However, they're organized differently for your convenience. To change a return status, you'll still need to right-click that return in the active tree and select Set Preparer Status, or change the status in Calendar. That status then flows to both schedules. You can decide which schedule suits your methods better.